love crimping wires. I love it so much. It's my favorite thing. That's the first thing people know about it. They're like, hey, what's Christian like? He's like, he loves crimping wires.
Miso is green. Mosi is yellow. SCK is blue. STK is white. That's ground. That has a round buzzer pin. Power. That's it. And this is why I love crimping wires. Because it's just a bunch of this over and over and over again.
I am wiring up the RFID reader for this prop because this is a skill/dexterity based puzzle. Every one of those we've designed has a shorthand so that the actor running the show can come in and very quickly solve it just by waving their hand over the spot that has the RFID reader. Because the last thing you want is for them to go, we want to bypass this puzzle, and then they have to sit there and wait for the actor come in and solve it themselves. Get in there! And you go in your home, and you stay in your home. Nope. Oh, I'm about to say swear words. Especially in the order, it's going to be a lot more fun to have the proctor, the character who theoretically knows magic or hermetic magic, to be able to come over there, lay their hand on the whole thing just sort of activates and sound plays and it drops. We haven't really scripted exactly what that looks like. I think we want to leave it to their discretion. I think the actor's going to have a fun time with that. As long as they don't come in chanting Harry Potter words, and it'll be fun. Hey, Zach. What do we feel about making part of the audition process of the proctor go, hey, make up a magic spell right now. Pretend that you're laying your hands on a prop and it's going to solve it. Make something up. Just go.
I told you I want as much improv in that audition as possible. So
Alright,
yeah,
let's make him improv a magic spell.
Yeah.
I think it'll be fun. If nothing else, like...
If anyone says Wingardium Leviosa, we will ask them to leave immediately.
What did I just say? What did I just say? Whatever the opposite of Zen is, this is what crimping is. God, I have entire puzzles that have 8 to 10 of these in one build. I'm gonna lose my wrist. I'm gonna lose my wrist doing this. Reset. Reset goes there. Let's get the brown in there.